Hello guys, welcome. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one uh, dogecoin watching ads website. Just watch ads and you can earn your dogecoin. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Okay, let's get started. This is the website ClimeDoge. Okay, and this website link in description. You can click the link and you can here register yourself. If you're new, just click register, put your email, password, confirm password and fill a captcha. You can register yourself, and if you have account you can log in yourself from here. Okay, I have account, I log in myself. Okay, okay, this is my account. I save my password and email. First of all, if you log in here, you come down, put your dogecoin wallet address, Faucet dogecoin wallet address in here to save your dogecoin wallet address in here. Okay, then start making some crypto, just watching advertisement. First of all, Faucet, you can claim your Faucet. Okay, every 5 minutes you can claim your Faucet 10 coin, and it's very easy. Just fill this capture and let it come down and click get reward, and you have 10 coin and you can complete for short links. Sorry, this is all about available short links in dogecoin. If you watch all of these short links you can earn much more dogecoin from here, much more energy too. And the next one is PTC hats. PTC hats is right now not available in this website. The captcha claim is not available because it's new right now. And you can see I earned this much dogecoin, just I claim one Faucet. You can withdraw your amount instantly in Faucet Pay. I go to my Faucet Pay to show you my dashboard. This is my dashboard. Okay, and this is my dogecoin. I withdraw my dogecoin instantly. I receive my dogecoin or not. Okay, just click withdraw. Okay, in this website tell you we send your amount. Just come here, reload the page and little bit come down. This is the dogecoin you receive from this account at this website. If you watch all of these short links you can earn maybe 10-20 dogecoin daily, and if you have friends you can send referral link and you can make much more from referral link. Thanks for watching guys. This is the dogecoin Faucet website. This website link in description. Click the link and come here, just making some free cryptocurrency. Okay, thanks guys, and please subscribe to my channel and bye bye.